Hey everyone, as you might have heard, CapCut has recently been banned in the US due to security concerns and government policies. This means users in the US can no longer access CapCut directly from the Play Store or App Store. But don't worry, it'll show you a simple and effective way to bypass the ban and keep using CapCut without any issues. Let's jump right into it. Since CapCut is now restricted in the US, we need to change our virtual location using a VPN. Head over to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for a trusted VPN. I recommend NordVPN because it's fast, reliable, and works great for apps like CapCut. Download and install it on your device. After installing the VPN, open the app and sign up if required. Now choose a server in a country where CapCut is still available, like Canada, the UK, Australia, or Germany. Once you're connected, your internet traffic will be routed through that country, making it seem like you're accessing CapCut from outside the US. Now that your VPN is active, launch CapCut as usual. You should be able to edit, add effects, and export your videos without any restrictions. If CapCut doesn't load properly, try connecting to a different VPN server or restarting the app. And that's it. A quick and easy way to continue using CapCut despite the ban. Have any questions? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.